Okay, Lasya, I'm asking state name. You tell me the capital. Okay? Okay. Andhra Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Bihar. Chhattisgarh. Goa. Gujarat. Haryana. Himachal Pradesh. Jharkhand. Karnataka. Kerala. Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra. Manipur. Meghalaya. Mizoram. Nagaland. Odisha. Punjab. Rajasthan. Sikkim. Tamil Nadu. Telangana. Tripura. Uttarakhand. Uttar Pradesh. West Bengal. Okay, very good.